How to use Phantom Wallet Chrome extension. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Chrome Web Store and I have successfully installed or added to my browser the Phantom Wallet. And so to be able to access this, simply open your extension section over here and select Phantom. By doing this, you will be able to see the pop-up or Phantom over here. You could see the typical features such as receive, send, swap, and buy. You could see your different cryptocurrency, your different collections over here, transfers over here, trades. You have your recent activities. You have your different sections like apps, tokens, collectibles that you could search for. And you could also add or connect different wallets. As you can see here, you could create a new wallet, connect a hardware wallet, import secret phrase to connect accounts from another wallet, and so on and so forth. It's very simple and easy to use, and as you can see here, you can also buy, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.